Hello viewers, let's learn voice instructions to mobile in place of manual typing or use your mobile hand-free to avoid typing. First open Google and not Chrome browser. Click Google. Now first click the mic and now come down, click settings. We will activate it and now click voice. On this button, preferably for your ease above is language, but I keep English UK. Now let's go and click Google Assistant. Click it. And now voice match. Now few times you will exercise, but on this button. And now once again scroll down to the end. Click I agree. Another one. Once again scroll down and click agree. Now test first has begun. So speak what is written. Again do the same. Repeat it for the third time. And if it appear, speak again what is written. And it's done. Now click next. And now click start saving audio. Click this button. And now I agree will appear, so click on I agree. Now whatever you say to your mobile, it will do, like let me open Google and let me speak, open Instagram. So it will automatically open Instagram. And now next time let me ask Google for the sunset time of a specific area and it respond correctly. If this appears, so turn on your location for precise results. Thanks for watching.